Hey everyone, so I have now had the Samsung Tab A7 here for about a year, and here are my thoughts on it. So first things I would say right away is if I were to buy one budget tablet, this would be the budget tablet I would buy. So something that is under 300 bucks. This would be the one I'd buy. Unless you like iOS, then for $330 or more than $300, you can get the base model iPad. That is going to be quicker than this is going to be. But if you're not a fan of iOS and you want something that is a budget tablet, to me, this is the best budget tablet that you can buy. That is said, even with the new A8 being out, in my testing, the A7 was a little bit worse in some areas and a little bit better in other areas. It was a little bit slower, but it was actually a bit better in gaming, at least as of at that time. I'm sure with firmware updates and whatnot, the A8 will be better. But this is one that I would personally buy right now. And two, you can get this off of Amazon for 180 USD. Normally this is 230. That is an excellent price. That is for 32 gigabyte storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. Otherwise, you can buy a 64 gigabytes storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM if you would rather spend a bit more money. Again, this is the base version, 32 and 3. So we'll do a quick look here. But yeah, this is the budget tablet I would buy if you like Android and not iOS. So I don't really have anything on the side except for right here is a micro SD card expansion slot there. You do get a headphone jack. You get 2 speakers on this side along with your USB Type-C. Over here, you have your volume rocker and your power button right there, along with a mic. Then the top here gives you 2 more speakers. So this is quad speakers, and they are very, very good sounding speakers. And of course, you do also get a camera there as well. There's a camera right here. This is a 10.4 inch display, full HD display. It is nice and beautiful. I believe it is 225 ppi. It's just a very nice looking display for a budget tablet. So this tablet is excellent for gaming. We'll show off a little bit of Pokemon Unite here once this is done downloading its update. My internet sucks right now, but you guys can hopefully see just how good that picture looks, besides from the glare from my lights. It just looks nice and beautiful. This is a very nice looking display, like I have already mentioned. Saying full HD, plays 225 ppi. It's just a very nice, gorgeous looking display. Colors just pop on it. Blacks are nice and black. Whites are nice and white. Just overall beautiful. So for Pokemon Unite, it puts it into medium graphics and then low frame rate. But if you want to, you can increase that if you would like. I'll give you just a bit of a taste of the speakers and then also how well this plays games. So I'm going to be quiet and we'll turn up this volume. So as you just saw, this plays games very well. Every game I've thrown at this, it can play in either low to medium graphics. Some games you can do in high graphics. Also heard the speakers are really good. Again, the quad speakers, 2 on each side. They just get really nice and loud, and they sound very, very good. Excellent, especially for a $230 device. Compare the speakers to like the base model iPad. This just blows the iPad out of the water with its only on one side speakers. This thing is just really, really good. Even compared to, say, with Amazon Fire 10s, HG10s, again, quad speakers compared to dual speakers on the Amazons, this is just amazing. Sounds so good and so loud. I'll do a little bit of, show you guys how quickly this thing loads in websites here. Let's do a very quick speed. Here's looking up in new Garmin Fenix 7 came out this month. You guys can see how quickly this thing loads in. If you guys want an excellent watch and don't mind spending around a G on a watch, these are really sweet watches. This one is probably be the one I would buy. Of course, his pictures aren't really too good, but really kind of small. That's probably one I would buy, but don't really have $900 to spend on a watch right now. But you guys can see though how quickly this loads in. I love it. It is nice and quick. Overview. On this hand, of course, play videos on here as well. Skip ahead. So after a year, I still really do like this tablet. Again, like I said at the beginning of this video, if I could buy only one budget tablet, this would be the one I would buy. Even over the new A8, especially if you can get this one on sale like it is right now on Amazon for $108 compared to 230. Save yourself $50. This thing is excellent. Unless you need something that can do, or you want something that can do gaming in ultra or maxed out graphics, you have to step up to the S7 or S7 Plus for that. Or if you want the very quickest tablet, you won't be looking at budget tablet anyway then. But for as far as budget tablets go, this thing is really, really nice. I highly recommend this tablet to anyone. I mean, this thing can do any game I've thrown at it. It's just an overall excellent tablet, and again, I highly recommend it. Again, $230. It's normally $230 here in the U.S. right now, and Amazon's website is $180. Yeah, I'd highly recommend it. And you guys let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate you. Even after 1 year, I still highly recommend this device. Thank you guys very much. As always, I really do appreciate you watching. Hope you guys have a good one. Let me know what you guys think. What tablet are you going with? Do you already have, etc.? And do you prefer iOS or do you prefer Android? Let me know that as well. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Goodbye.